Welcome. Today I'll show you how you can put a screen protector on your XIAOMI Mi 10T Lite. So at the first we have of course our glass, and it will be very good if you have something like this guide sticker or duct tape to take off some pieces of the dust after cleaning with wipes. But at the first, let's open our box with screen protector, and inside we can find our screen protector. It's flat, and also wipes, wet and dry. Let's take it off, and at the first we have to start by cleaning with wet and after that with dry. So let's open. And it's also very important to have good light source, like in my position, like in my case, to see if there is dirt on the screen. So let's start with wet. And right now, let's go with the dry one. Okay, I think that it's finished and our screen is right now in a good condition. Right now, let's grab the sticker or the duct tape and focus on the dust. Okay, this one is good. So let's grab your phone and take a look closely to your screen. I see right here some pieces of the dust, so we have to take it off. Okay, and I think it's good, but I could recommend you to leave the sticker on your finger, because before the whole process we are going to check the second time if it is finished, if it is clean. So right now grab your screen protector and just take it off. Just take a look at the screen second time. Okay, it's good. So right now we have to input this screen. Okay, so right now we have to start by applying the screen protector. So let's start with the top section of the screen. Okay, and then we have to press it with our finger. Still keep holding this part. And I think right now we can release and just put it like that. Okay, and it's almost finished. So right now we have to grab our dry wipe and just clean, you know, this mess right here. Okay, and as you can see, it's finished. So right now we are able to use our smartphone. We are right now protected from any scratches or the breaks. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!